So I've done it, pulled the trigger, got a new bike. We've come to a stubble field to go test it out. Better show you the bike. This is not my bike. My bike is over here. So I've come to a stubble field. Can you guess what I bought? That's right, it's a 4-stroke. It's a 300 SEF Sherco. So we're going to put it through its paces today. Brought the Cowie as well. We're going to do some lap times to see what's going to be faster around a motocross type stubble field track. So stay tuned. Alright lads. Right. What's he seeing you here? Road Marsh. Wagwan. Righto. Get some stubble field going. I don't really know the track yet. I've only done 2 laps. Oh, this bike has so much power. I'm not used to this kind of acceleration or time warp. Is this a long corner? I think it is. Oh, I should have shifted up a gear there. Oh, ran wide. This is tight. Do you know what? I'm getting arm pump already. This 450's got so much power. Fuck out of me for a change. Oh, for fuck's sakes. The fun police are here to shut us down. Why can't they just let us ride? Update. The police have arrived and we've got to go home. Fucking fun police. It's all around the bike. We've still got to get out the field without getting stopped. So I'm thinking 4th gear, 80 mile an hour. Doing donuts in front of them. Anyway, we might go ride somewhere else. Fuck off. So as you saw, the police came to the stubble field, so we've come home and thought I'd take the Sherco out in the woods. That's what it's designed for. I can't believe how nimble it feels. The cockpit does feel a tiny bit short, but oh, short when you hit a rock. Got loads of grip. 4-stroke is just the king of grip. What a beautiful day as well. Oh, stones. Considering I've only had about half an hour on this bike, I'm really comfortable on it already. Just feels very planted. KYBs are amazing. I feel like I'm a bit too far forward though in my stance. There are options of dropping your pegs back a bit, down and back, so it gives you a bit more room, which which I'll probably do in the near future. Oh, that engine braking. I've missed that. So I've got my friend Alan out today. It was his bike I rode that made me want to get one of these 300 4-strokes. I did want a 300 2-stroke, but there's just not one in the country. I rang every manufacturer, every shop I could think of, and yeah, they're all on back order to 2022. So I thought I'll get a 300 4-stroke to see how. Oh, Rocket Ralph stuck in a rut. Classic. Oh, that was really a classic crash. Yeah, so I thought I'd get 300 4-stroke just to get stuck in bogs like that. I just get the feel of it, and I am really happy with it. I don't know if the 2-stroke would be much better, if I'm honest. This is just, everything's perfect. The power, the weight, it's not even heavy. I really like it. So, keep your eye out for the full review. Oh, this bike suspension is amazing. Oh, so plush. Oh, I don't want to get wet. I mean, the KTM was good, but not this good. All right. I love this section. I don't like this bit. But from here, when you want. That's amazing. Oh no. It's like a one section. This suspension is amazing. Just soaking all of that. That's unreal. Oh. See if we can keep up with him. Bearing in mind he's only 14. I'm twice his age. Nice! Very bouncy this bike, I love it. It reminds me a bit of my downhill bike. You roost me. Oh, but don't really want to take my hand off the clean. Oh, he's fast. Oh, puddle, slow down for that. Oh, it stinks as well. Nice one, brother. Hammer off. It's ever so sensitive on the throttle. I'm so impressed. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane. I think I'm going to be in that lane. This power is so smooth. And it pulls right from the bottom. And then it really lets loose when you open the throttle. Engine braking, that is weird. Haha, roosting. I'm amazed at how quick you can turn it. It's a little bit heavier than the 2-stroke, but only 3 kilos. Very playful power. It's very stable at high speed too. I think it's around here. Yeah. The grip is phenomenal. I've got an old Michelin medium on and it loves it. Let's get into this tight single stuff. Let me know what you guys think of the new bike then. I'll be doing a full review after I've ridden it for a bit. Seems a bit unfair to review something that I've not ridden like enough. I at least want to have like 5 or 6 hours on it. Then I'll be able to give you an honest review of what I think. And I'm stuck. This stuff is slippy. Yeah, as always, thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe if you feel like you've enjoyed the content. Leave a comment below if you want me to do anything cool.